Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the tools that I use in my affiliate marketing journey. And I know, guys, that this can really help you guys out when it comes to getting started with affiliate marketing, especially when you're and you may don't know what tools that you need to use to get started with affiliate marketing. Then this video will be very helpful for you guys because I'm going to introduce to you guys to some of the tools that I use, free tools and paid tools, but most of them are free. All right, and I'm super excited about this because I know that it can really help you guys out, right, guys? So if you like content like this, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload content like this to help you guys make money with affiliate marketing. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first one, guys, is System.io. Now, this is the software or automation tools that I use, guys, in my email marketing business. And the best part about this, guys, is this is 100% free. You get access to free plan forever, no credit card required. And now the features inside of System.io, guys, is this everything you need, guys. This is an all-in-one platform. You can create sales funnels, you can do email marketing, you can create website, you can also promote products inside of um, System.io, business automation, and you can also do webinars, online courses, blogging. You can also sell your own products and services inside of System.io. Just like I said, guys, this is, you get access to, pre-plan forever. All right, so they have this pre-plan right here. You can load up to 2,000 contacts. You can send unlimited emails. You can create 3 funnels, 10 sales funnel. You can create 10 sales funnel steps. You can create one blog, and you can create unlimited blog posts, one courses. You can load up to unlimited students and file storage as well, automation workflows. But yeah, just you get the point, right? You just basically sign up your account to get access this for free. By the way, guys, I am an affiliate of this. There's a link below this video to join into the system, and I really appreciate if you guys use my link. All right, that would be appreciated. All right, guys, so that is the number one tool that I use, guys. Now I'm gonna prove to you that I actually use this. I'm gonna log into my account right here, and as you can see, guys, I actually use this. I got campaigns, funnels right here, and this is the main tool that I use in my email marketing journey. All right, guys. So yeah, that is number one. The second one, guys, is of course Canva.com. Now I'm sure most of you guys knows about Canva. This is the tool that I use to edit thumbnail. Mostly, guys, thumbnail. Right, you can also use this. There's also a link below this video. If you don't know what is Canva, it's basically a graphic design software. It's gonna allow you guys to design graphics, to create thumbnails. There's also you can also create videos inside of Canva, guys. There's a lot of features inside of Canva. You can create presentation, a video to social media, branding, marketing, office. There's a lot of things that you can create. You can create different kind of videos from different social media places, YouTube video, video collage, YouTube video ad. Everything is included in Canva. All right. The third tool, guys, is FlexClip. All right, FlexClip. Now, if you don't know what is FlexClip, guys, it's basically a cloud-based application. It's completely free as well. They also have this free plan as well, and you don't need uh, a credit card to use this. It's basically, guys, a cloud-based application. You'd be able to edit videos, to record videos, and this is actually the the screen recording that I am using right now in this video. So I'm gonna show you guys. Let me go to my account right here. All right. So this is an all-in-one tool as well. So you can create slideshow, you can create meme generator. There's also a GIF maker and a screen recorder, which I am using right now. You can also trim video, merge video, convert video, add music to video. There's a lot of things that you can do with this. You can create promo video, a real estate video, news video, corporate videos, trailer videos, lifestyle, birthday video, wedding video. There's a lot of things that you can. But basically, the main tool behind within FlexClip is video creation. So you can use this, guys, to create video. It's so powerful. Now, let me show you guys one of the video that I create inside of FlexClip. All right, let me show you this. It's so powerful, guys. There's a lot of presets and animations that you can use with FlexClip. Let me show you this. All right, let me click on share page. Let me try to click on share page right here, so that way you can see this. It's so powerful software, guys, and the best part is this is free. All right. All right, so I'm gonna play this video because this is the video that I use that I create inside of FlexClip. It's so powerful, guys, you know. So you can also use this application. There's also a link below this video, guys. Of course, there is a limit with your pre-account, but you can get started using this. It's completely for free. You don't need to use credit card to use this. All right, this basically sign up using your Google account or your email, and you can get started using this. All right, you can take a look at their pricing. Let's take a look at the pricing right here. Right, so this is the pricing right here. You get access for free, and if you wanted to go to pro version, then you can use your account. And it's not that expensive, guys, to go to virtual to pro version. It's like $5, then $9 and $19 per business plan. And yeah, so for the free version, guys, you can download like 480p, but you don't need to really need to have the fancy videos. You just basically need to, you know, a video tool or video editing software that can really help you guys out. All right. So yeah, so those are um so just like I said, just check it out in your time. There's just a link below this video to if you wanted to use this. All right. And then the next one, guys, I use is a background removal tool. All right. So the name of this website is experty.com. You can go to experty.com, and I'm gonna also put a link below this video that way you can get this. And one of the coolest part about Experty, guys, is this is not, you know, credit based, and you don't need to log in to create your account. As you can see, there's no login button right here. You just basically drag in an image right here, and it will automatically process the image, and you'd be able to download that image. All right, it's so powerful. You don't need to sign up your account. You don't need to log into your account. You just basically drag in an image right here. So the next one, guys, is I forgot the name of that one. Um, I also use like Sqribble. Like if you don't know what is a Sqribble, guys, it's basically a an ebook creation software. Now with this application, you'd be able to create like ebook right here as your lead magnet. All right, so you can create ebooks. You can also create, you know, um, there's a lot of things that you can do with this, guys. All right, there's like let me show you some of the features right here. 3D, you can create 3D covers, you can create flip books right here. But mainly, guys, the use for this application is to create an ebook. And there's also like in other upsells right here if you wanted to have. But this one, guys, is a paid version, right? This is not free. But I actually, you know, give this as a bonus for free. I have a there's a product that is gonna be launching today, which is Market Prime, and I, you know, add Scribble as a bonus if you guys purchase Market Prime. Now there's a link below this video to check out Market Prime. I have put a review video about Market Prime, but I just like I said, I'm gonna be giving this for free, Scribble for free, if you guys purchase Market Prime. Now the value of Scribble is like $47 if you wanted to check out in your own time. I'm gonna also put a link below this video if you wanted to check out Sqribble. That way you can also check it out. And then the next one, guys, is Prezentar. Now, I really like about Prezentar, guys, is that you can create presentation, you can create videos and letter. It's a really powerful tool, guys. And this is a brand new software. This is just came out last, you know, 11th of July 2022. So yeah, this is gonna allow you to create presentations, you know, video sales later, and there's a lot of things that you can do with Prezentar, and I really love this application. Yeah, so but this one is not free. I'm gonna also put a link below this video if you wanted to check it out. And then the last one that I use, guys, is Smart Mac Apps. Now, Smart Mac Apps, guys, is gonna allow you to create product covers like ebook covers. So you would, so let's say you wanted to create products and you wanted to add it in the cover of that product, then you would so this one you can create different kind of cover. You just filter this into free, and then you would get access to this, and it's 100% free. All right, so you can just basically drag in your your you know your design into this Mac app. You'll be able to download this. It's completely for free. But if you guys wanted to upgrade your account, there's also a pro version of this. Let's take a look at the pricing about this. See this one, so you get us for free, and the pro version is like only $9 per month, and you get access to everything. All right, and 7 days trial. But you just the free version is everything you need to get started using this. You can create different kind of Mac apps, laptops, watches, desktop, tablets. So let's take a look at this stuff right here. See the free version right here. Right, I really like this, guys, because it's really lightweight application as well. So you can create this kind of product covers, just like the one that you see on the sales page of those products that are gonna be launching each and every day on the marketplace. So you'd be able to create this kind of you know product covers as well. Yeah, it's really powerful application, and one of the best part is this is 100% free. All right. So yeah, so those are the tools, guys, that I use, especially those the system dial, because once you get started with affiliate marketing, you need to have some sort of email marketing software. So system dial can really help you guys out. So yeah, so those are the things, those are the tools that I recommend you guys to use. But I also suggest to use system dial and for your email marketing business. All right, so just sign up your account as system.io, and this is 100% free, guys, and this can really help you guys out. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and if you'd like this video, please consider subscribe and hit that notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload content like that to help you guys make money online. And if you guys wanted to learn how I make my first $1,000 online without creating website, without creating opt-in pages, landing pages, none of this mambo jumbo stuff. And the best part, guys, is this is 100% free method, and you can get started this uh, method as soon after you watch my video training. Just like I said, there's a link below this video to get access to my free video training on how I make my first $1,000, and how you can also do and make your first $1,000 online. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.